All right, today we're jumping into a huge topic, Pharma 4.0. We're talking about a massive transformation in how our medicines are made. This isn't just about a few new machines. It's about building these incredibly intelligent, connected factories that are completely changing the game. So, how does it all really work? Let's get into it. So, just think about this for a second. What if a factory didn't just have to react to problems, like a contaminated batch or a machine breaking down, but could actually see them coming and prevent them from happening in the first place? Well, that's really the core promise of Pharma 4.0. It's a huge shift from just fixing mistakes to basically predicting the future. But, to get there, it takes a lot more than just cool technology. The very first, and maybe the most critical step, is a fundamental change in how you think. It's all about building a brand new mindset for a totally new era of manufacturing. So what's the real difference here? While on one side, you've got the old way of doing things. You have departments that don't talk to each other, information's trapped on stacks of paper, and everybody is just reacting to problems after they've already happened. But on the other side, you've got the smart factory. Here, systems are all integrated, data flows freely, and powerful analytics let teams be predictive, not reactive. It's a whole different world. And this new world is really built on a few core principles. It all starts with seamless data sharing, so everybody has the full picture, all the time. Then you use real-time analytics to turn all that data into actual insights. Going paperless ensures your data is accurate and secure, while automation takes care of all the routine, repetitive tasks. But honestly, the most crucial one is that last one, continuous learning. The system itself and the people who run it are always getting smarter.
So, once you've got the right mindset in place, what about the tools? Let's take a look at the actual technology stack that's powering this whole transformation.
Okay, this is basically the toolkit for your smart factory. You've got your IIoT sensors, which are kind of like the factory's nervous system, collecting data from every single machine. The cloud is there to provide all the massive computing power you need. Then you have AI and machine learning acting as the brain, analyzing everything. Digital twins, they create virtual copies for testing. And of course, robotics and blockchain handle automation and security. Every single piece here is essential.
Let's zoom in on one of these tools for a sec, blockchain. Because in the world of pharmaceuticals, trust and traceability are absolutely everything. Blockchain basically creates a digital fingerprint for every single batch of medicine. It's an unchangeable, tamper-proof record. This means you can track a product's entire journey with 100% certainty, which, for safety and compliance, is a total game changer.
And putting something like this into practice is a really disciplined process. We don't just flip a switch. It starts with a super deep assessment of all the risks and regulations. Then you design the architecture, you develop smart contracts to automate all the rules, and finally, you test it like crazy to make sure it's absolutely bulletproof before it ever gets near a real product. Now let's look at another incredibly powerful tool from the kit, the digital twin. This is where things that sound like science fiction become everyday reality on the factory floor. A digital twin is an exact virtual replica of a physical process or even a whole machine. And as you can see from the top use cases right here, its applications are just incredible. You can optimize a process without ever having to shut down the real production line. You can predict when a machine is about to fail and fix it beforehand. You can even train new operators in a completely safe virtual environment. It's basically a risk-free sandbox for making your real-world operations perfect. Okay, so the mindset is there, the tools are amazing, but how does a company actually do all this? How do you go about transforming a massive, highly regulated facility? Well, the key is having a really clear, phased roadmap. This lays out the journey perfectly. It's not a big bang approach. It's a series of smart, deliberate steps. You start by figuring out exactly where you are. Then, you target some quick wins with pilot projects to build momentum and get people excited. After that, you standardize what works and scale it up. Only then do you move on to advanced integration and, finally, you get to a state of continuous improvement. And the goal of this phased approach is so important. It's all about making this massive undertaking manageable. By delivering a return on investment at each and every stage, it proves its own value as you go. It gets the workforce ready for the next step, and it really helps balance the risk of such a major transformation. It makes the impossible possible. But for any of this to work, you need a rock-solid technical backbone. So how does the data actually get from a machine on the factory floor all the way to an insight on a dashboard? Well, it all happens in layers. It all starts right here, at the sensor layer.
You can think of these as the digital eyes and ears of the factory. These are validated industrial-grade sensors placed at all the critical points to capture everything: temperature, pressure, humidity, turning the physical world into a constant stream of digital data.
Next, that data goes to what's called the edge layer. Think of these as little mini data centers located right there on the factory floor. They collect and process data locally. This is absolutely crucial for speed, but also for reliability. If the main network ever goes down, the edge gateways just keep collecting data, so nothing is ever lost.
And finally, all that pre-processed encrypted data gets sent up to the cloud layer. This is where the big picture analysis happens. With almost unlimited computing power, the cloud turns all that raw data into predictive models, real-time dashboards, and the kind of actionable intelligence that actually drives the smart factory.
So what does all of this, the mindset, the tools, the architecture, what does it ultimately add up to? Well, the impact is profound, both for the business and really for all of us as patients. And the impact isn't just theoretical. The benefits are incredibly concrete. For example, time to market gets accelerated, which means new therapies can reach patients faster. Productivity skyrockets. Costs come way down because there's less waste and less energy use. And maybe most importantly, quality and compliance are massively enhanced, making medicine safer and way more consistent. And this isn't just some small marginal improvement. We're talking about 24/7 automated monitoring. Every single parameter of every single batch is tracked in real time. This creates a level of quality assurance and audit readiness that was simply impossible with the old manual paper-based systems. You know, in the end, it really all comes back to this. As one of our sources puts it so well, Pharma 4.0 is fundamentally a mindset shift. It's all about moving away from a rigid, siloed past and into a collaborative, agile, and continuously improving future. The technology makes it possible, but it's the mindset that truly drives it. And all of that leads us to one final, pretty provocative thought. If you can create factories that are this smart, this agile, and this precise, are we looking at the end of the one-size-fits-all pill? Could these same exact technologies soon be used to manufacture medicines that are personalized for each and every one of us? That is the future that Pharma 4.0 is building right now.